Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time watching, my name is Linda from Linda's Treasures, and just in case you might be interested, I do a little bit of thrifting, shop with bees, DIYs, cooking, a little bit of vlogging here and there. So if that is all your jam and lifestyle videos, I would hope you would consider and watching this channel grow along with me. That would make me feel super special. In today's video, I am going to be bringing you a 75% off what I got at Goodwill and sharing that haul with you shortly. And then I'm also going to be doing an unboxing, unbagging of one of their Goodwill baggy things, if you get what I'm trying to say. There was only one little item that I did not get that was 75% off, but I will let my little one, who has been enjoying these videos and enjoying being a part of it, do that towards the end so she doesn't drive everybody crazy. Jump right in. I went to two different types of Goodwill, and I do have my receipts here so that I can let you know specifically what all of the costs was. We will jump right in. I ended up spotting this cute little Christmas basket, and I loved it. It is still in awesome condition. It does have the cute little snowman on the bottom. This was regular price $2.99. All I spent was 75 cents for this adorable snowman little basket. I will be figuring out where I'm going to be adding this cute basket. I think I might put it into one of the bathrooms or my guest bathroom just to add a little Christmas feel in there. I absolutely love this portion here, the little belts in the back here. I think that's absolutely adorable. I'm excited to see how I'm going to display that maybe in my bathroom. This scale right here, this is a 1999 postal scale, and the regular price for this one was $3.99, so I only paid 62 cents for this because it was also the color coded of the week of 75% off, which was the red color, if I didn't mention that before. And I like this just not only to kind of get an idea as to some of the products that I might be, or items that I might be mailing out, because I do sometimes resell and ship things out. Even though it is from the January 1999 rates, at the very least, it can give me a generalized idea, and I can go based on the current rates. But not only that, I can also use this as a beautiful decor piece. I've seen so many cute little postal scale. I'm not sure if it's because it's Christmas that I'm seeing it, but I've been seeing and we're coming across a lot of decor pieces using vintage scales. Really excited to see what I can come up with when it comes to this. And it can pull double duty whenever I need to get an idea as to what I'm going to be mailing out and weighing it. This particular scale goes to 2.5 ounces. The max capacity that it will measure as far as weight goes, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes with this. I think I'm interested in finding out what I can come up with it, but it drew my attention and I just couldn't leave it behind. When I was heading to the register, I ended up finding this gorgeous piece that I could not pass up. Now, when I look at this piece, this is a cast iron star. It is with a tea light holder in the back. Regular price was listed for $8.99 for cast iron. So it's in awesome condition. Pieces like this, to me, it's durable, and that's what I kind of mean. That's probably the better word to use. It's more durable, and I'm going to have more longevity, and it looks great. I think that this would look absolutely gorgeous in so many ways. I can imagine this being displayed in different places. I'm really excited to add this to one of my places, be it if it's here, maybe, I don't know. Maybe I have to figure out a place here somewhere in the fireplace. Or maybe restructure my fireplace a little bit and see where I can put that, because that is absolutely gorgeous. I love that. I did end up going to another Goodwill near me, and the lines were just crazy there. However, I've been kind of like not really getting attracted to certain things, and I am a particular person that if I'm going to buy it, it has to move me. I need to find the attraction to these items when I look at them. If not, I'm not gonna worry about them. I might just, if I'm initially attracted, I might put it in my shopping cart. If at the end of the shopping trip I'm still attracted to it, then I will go ahead and purchase it. At first I didn't know exactly what this was. Then it kind of, the light bulb went off. And this is a teapot. It is an adorable teapot. It is a Sakura Debbie Mum Sakura teapot. Haven't looked into it yet, but I thought he was so cute. Like I have mentioned in my past videos the last couple weeks, I love vintage Christmas and I love the traditional vintage colors. I've been attracted to those lately for the last few years, and I haven't gotten a lot of Christmas pieces like I have this year so far. I was really excited to see this. I'm not a tea person, but I can appreciate this, and he is absolutely gorgeous. His little head is removable so that you can obviously either put the tea in there and dispense the tea, and then obviously this is the handle, and then this is the little portion of the spout. The regular price on this one was $3.99, and I only paid $1 for this. He's so cute. I did end up getting this baggie. It was $2.99. I think I spent 75 cents on this one. I only spent 75 cents on this little baggie. So we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing on this one, or the unbagging, whatever you want to call it, because I don't know everything that's in here. Okay. Apparently there's a little hole. So the first thing that popped out of the bag was obviously this little tea light. Does it work? Let's find out. Of course not. It might just need a battery. But that's the first thing that popped out of the little bag. So I will leave that there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this little pillow is in there. How cute is that? It's like a little vintage Christmas. This reminds me of the placemats that I purchased last week from the bins. And if you have not watched that video, I will link it up in the cards up top so you can see. Super adorable. Sometimes I don't know what Goodwill. This is a tea light foil. Is this supposed to be meant for this one? I don't know. Ooh, this one's exciting. I hope this really works. Look at these. We'll have to figure out if it does work or not. I am really interested in finding out if these work. These were so popular back when I was growing up. You would see these bubbling up in the Christmas trees as ornaments. So I'm really excited to see if they work. I'll show you guys. We'll go ahead and try to plug it in and share with you if it does indeed work or not. So we'll try that out. That's a good one. Okay, I have a little box right here. I don't know what this is. Oh, sparkle soap? Oh, it's an Avon sparkle soap. Oh, it's a poinsettia. How adorable. This is perfect for the bathroom. I can put this in my tier tray. I made a tier tray a few years ago from the Dollar Tree items, and I have displayed it on my bathroom, and I change it around all the time. And I have it listed in one of my boards in Pinterest, and it's one of my most shared pins, and it makes me feel proud that I have in the boards there on Pinterest. And I think that this will be perfect for that. I'm excited for that piece right there. Have a little tin here. It is a whole bunch of snowmen and Santa Claus. So it's just a little basic tin. Oh, how adorable. This is a little snowman magnet. Another tea light. Let's see if this one works. Nope, fail. I like this one though, even though it's not working. Hopefully I can get batteries and replace it, because I love this little wick right here. And if I put that right here and turn it on, That would look so pretty. Another here. Oh, here's another little magnet. This one's like a little, oh, how cute. A little gingerbread baking storefront. Adorable. I love that. So cute. We have everything here. And I see a oh wait, what is this? Oh. Oh, here's maybe another little snowman. It doesn't seem like it was, maybe it looks like it was attached to something because of the glue residue right there. But it could be a magnet. I could just glue one of the little magnets. I sometimes have little magnet strips that I could add. Lastly, I see this Kirkland's, brand new. Oh, wow. How adorable is this? This is so cool. How cute is this? I love that. It is brand new. It still has the Kirkland tag on it. It's called Christmas Charm. It actually would look great in my wreath. I do have a homemade wreath that I have. I usually have the vintage inspired bells, but maybe I can switch them off and add these. Let me know in the comment section below how would you use these? Where would you put them at? Because these look so pretty not to be displayed somewhere. They're gorgeous. Jalisa is gonna be popping in soon and she will show you what she got before we end this video. This one was a short video, but it was all Christmas finds other than the postage scale. Now I'm gonna take you with me so we can try to see if this indeed works. So I'm interested in finding out. All right guys, so we're here in my little kitchen area. I have some decor right here, but I have the little plug-in, so I'm not sure if it works. If I am correct, I do believe that these little things used to bubble up once it was warm. So I don't know. So I just plugged it in. Let's see. Oh, it does work. Oh my gosh, I love it. So we will see if eventually after warming up, could have sworn that these will give these cute little bubbles to bubble up on that little stem up in the top there. And I think it's gonna light up beautifully in the evening time. I know I'm one of those people that wakes up several times a night just to walk through the house and make sure everybody is where they need to be and covered up. So this is really adorable to be able to have it on in the evening time. Excited for that. Oh my gosh. It does bubble. I love. Gorgeous. Jalisa has joined me for her portion of the haul. Hi, Jalisa.
Hi. This is Mommy. This is Lisa.
How are you?
Good.
Good. Okay, Jalisa only got one little item off of the Goodwill. This was not in the 75% off sale that they had on Monday. What did you get?
This.
What is that? Bring it over.
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. So she ended up finding a little tub of, she ended up finding a little tub of Play-Doh. This was $2.99.
Look at this. And you have a real banana.
You want to open it and see what's inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Está duro.
Está duro.
It's so hard.
Very good. You tried it.
I like a Play-Doh. I like a. Mommy, it's just strong.
I'm not strong. I can't take it out.
It's so very
Okay. What's inside? Let's find out. So the little tub comes with, bread, whatever this design is.
Look a banana.
Bananas. It comes with the yellow Play-Doh. What is this? Cheese?
Yeah.
The cheese stamps.
A queso.
Queso. What is this? Fresas?
Yeah, fresh.
Fresa, strawberry.
Fresh.
This is kind of like a peachy pink Play-Doh. The banana stamp. Has a little bit of another kind of Play-Doh in there.
A cookie.
A cookie maybe? Oh, and another little stamp cookie dough type of color.
No, it's chocolate.
Like chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay. All of this came in the little tub. I'm going to put that in there. Can you help me?
No, I'm afraid.
You're going to play?
Yeah.
Okay, we can play. That is all that Jalisa got for her portion of the haul. So if you enjoyed this type of video, you want to give it a what? You want to give it a thumbs up?
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.